In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download VidIQ app on Android. We're keeping this simple, safe, and reliable by using the official Google Play Store, which is the recommended way to get the app on your device. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top and type exactly VidIQ for YouTube. This helps you reach the correct app quickly and avoids lookalikes. When the results load, find the official listing. The key detail to check is the developer name. It should say VidIQ Inc. That's your confirmation that you're looking at the real app from the real team. You may see other apps with similar names or icons. Ignore those. Fake copies do exist, and they can waste your time or even compromise your device. Sticking to the official developer protects you and ensures you get the features you expect. Once you've confirmed you have the right app, tap Install. The download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment. Keeping a stable Wi-Fi or data connection helps the process run smoothly. If your phone is low on storage, consider freeing up a bit of space before you try again. When the installation completes, tap Open. The app will launch and guide you through sign-in. Use your YouTube or Google account to log in, since VidIQ connects with your channel to provide insights and tools. This is normal and secure when done through the app's built-in Google sign-in. Follow the prompts on screen and allow any necessary permissions so the app can function correctly. After you're signed in, you're ready to start using it. Take a moment to look around the interface so you know where things are. Exploring the main dashboard first can help you get comfortable with where analytics and optimization tools live, and you can come back later to dive deeper as you need. A few important tips before we wrap up. Always double-check that the developer is VidIQ Inc. Avoid apps with nearly identical names or vague descriptions. If the official Play Store listing is available on your device, there's no need to download an APK file from a website. Sideloading apps can be risky, and you could end up with outdated or unsafe versions. Using the Play Store keeps updates automatic and your app secure. That's it. You've installed VidIQ safely, opened it, and signed in so you can start using it right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating smarter with VidIQ.